Okay, everybody, I'm back. I'm kind of at a loss with what to tell you here. I have tried everything that I can think of, and I have not been able to match the answer that the book got on this one, which you can see that the book got an answer of negative 2.936 to 4.531. And I've tried every little thing I can think of, tried the numbers, tried different values, and I cannot get that. So what I did next was I said, okay, I'm just going to look up an online website that'll calculate it for me. And so I found this website right here. I typed in all the numbers, so you can see I'm going to share this website with you, by the way. So here was the mean, sample size, standard deviation of our first group, mean, sample size, standard deviation of the second group, 99% confidence level, and you can see that they give you the confidence interval right here. So negative 2.917 to 4.51. That should be these two numbers, and you see that it's still not right. So I don't know what to do now because I cannot figure out how to generate these two numbers. I'm hoping that if you put in this number and this number, it would give you the correct answer because this calculator just did the correct answer, but I can't have any guarantees. So I'm going to share this website with you. Feel free to build the confidence interval using this website. And I will point out, by the way, that this website makes a mistake too, because it says you can be 99% confident that the difference between your two population lies between these two numbers. That's not correct. That's not the correct way of saying it. The correct way of saying it is that there's a 99% chance that the confidence interval contains your true value, not that it's in between these two numbers. So there's just mistakes everywhere, and it's extremely frustrating, and I'm trying to do my best, and I understand that you're trying to do your best too. So on a paper, I'm going to write that the confidence interval between our two means, and I'm just going to go with the two numbers from this calculator, this online calculator that I used. We're going to put that it was negative 2.92 to 4.51 if we round to two decimal places. And as you can see, that's pretty close to the answer that they were looking for. It's not exact, and hopefully you would get it correct. If not, you need to let me know. Let's answer the last question. Does the confidence interval support the conclusion from our hypothesis test? The answer is yes, because the interval contains 0. So remember this confidence interval, you can see that 0 would be in our confidence interval. That means that there could be no difference between the two groups, which is in line with us failing to reject the null hypothesis. I'm sorry we're running into so many problems. I'm hoping that this is making a little bit of sense. Feel free to use the online calculator instead of using this formula because I'm not confident that the formula is going to work all the time. Let's go ahead and try one more example in the next video and see if we can do better.